guys, we're gonna replace this one with this busted up edge with this countertop. So stand by and be prepared to be impressed. There's a couple variations of countertop brackets. This one is what you can pick up at your local hardware store. Has a very simple brace. It doesn't look like it, but it is welded on the back side. Yeah, just a few simple screws up there and some anchors there. If I were installing it, I'd put one more right there in the middle for extra support. But the ones that I weld are obviously way more heavy duty. So stay tuned. Okay, now that we have the old countertop removed, we want to take a razor blade, and of course I forgot my floor scraper, but very carefully remove all the old caulking. You're gonna wanna remove all the old caulking before we recaulk the new countertop. See that gap right there? And it's barely holding on to that edge. So that's why we're gonna slide a 3/4 inch piece right under there. You'll see what I'm saying in a minute. I was impressed with this hybrid clear silicone that's also paintable and waterproof from DAP. Now this is the most common brace for a countertop. It's called a speed brace. And then you have the welded angle, which is even more heavy duty. Here I put the 3/4 inch shim underneath the countertop to fill in that gap. Sometimes they deliver them with the gap. So you want to maximize and fill in the gaps so that there's more points of contact. And here you have it. The paint is touched up. And you've got this hybrid clear silicone that provides a watertight seal as well as paintable. The painter will appreciate your clear being paintable.
So you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?